In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Elon future while talking about the Dogelon Mars cost conjecture for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Dogelon Mars. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Dogelon Mars value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Elon is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will Elon succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Dogelon Mars value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what Elon is and its to-date history. What is Dogelon Mars, Elon? Dogelon Mars is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the case of other fruitful canine coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelon Mars plays on a few well-known topics in the image coin space. Its name is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the tycoon business person who is a frank ally of Doge. It insinuates Mars, a twist on the well-known moon image, inferring that Dogelon will encounter a gigantic vertical development. Past its facetious name, Dogelon Mars has figured out how to construct a huge local area, with in excess of 300,000 Twitter devotees and in excess of 84,000 supporters on Telegram. Who are the founders of Dogelon Mars? Very much like is the situation for its more noticeable and more settled cousins, the pioneers behind this specific canine coin are obscure. That is an all-around normal event for image coins, and financial backers are very much exhorted because of a reasonable level of effort with semi-secret coins to try not to succumb to vindictive practices like floor-covering pulls and leave tricks. So, Elon has been available for quite a long time, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little. What makes Dogelon Mars unique? Dogelon Mars utilizes a funny comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the world and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home, with the assistance of the companions he's made during his movements through the stars. Several short comics are distributed on the coin site that follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he meets companions and goes on experiences. Dogelon Mars doesn't have a guide in essence, yet rather fostered a dream form through its comics. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon should battle for endurance against the Annihilators. This fantasized variant proposes that once the coin is recorded on all significant trades, the cost of Elon will reach Mars, or, at the end of the day, it will exchange at a lot higher valuation. In any case, Annihilators, by which the unpredictability of the crypto markets could be implied, will be an issue the local area should battle against. By and by, Elon is an image coin absent a lot of utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask. In any case, taking into account it has a strong blend of a few exceptionally memeable credits in its title, Elon Musk, Doge, Moon Mars, Dogelon Mars could like quickly if the general digital money market appreciates and the gamble hunger for image coins increments. Elon price prediction for the next 90 days, the entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unequaled high in the midst of the more extensive market drops, affected by seething expansion and US Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Crypto Vault Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and major evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. Elon Price Prediction 2025. Our expectation model sees Elon coming to $0.0004 in 2025. What will Elon be worth in 5 years? The cost of Elon in 5 years could lie around $0, as per Crypto Vault expectation model. Dogelon Mars Price Prediction 2030-2040. What Dogelon Mars will be worth in 2030? Our gauging model sees Dogelon Mars coming to $0 in 2030. What Dogelon Mars will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Dogelon Mars coming to $0 in 2040. Will Dogelon Mars supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Dogelon Mars won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Dogelon Mars at any point reach 10 cents? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogelon Mars to reach 10 cents in the short or mid-term period. Could Dogelon Mars at any point reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogelon Mars to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Could Dogelon Mars at any point reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogelon Mars to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Might Dogelon Mars at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogelon Mars to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. How high will Dogelon Mars go? Our gauging model sees Dogelon Mars cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is Dogelon Mars worth purchasing? We don't see a splendid future for Dogelon Mars. It merits purchasing just as a momentary hypothesis with a decent leave system. Dogelon Mars is definitely not a decent long-haul hold. Is Dogelon Mars a wise speculation? Dogelon Mars is definitely not a wise interest as we would see it. Why? Indeed, it faces a savage rivalry from other comparable crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certified local area, not including examiners and publicity pursuing group, and the group behind the task is problematic. Could Dogelon Mars at any point make you a tycoon? No, Dogelon Mars might not cause you a tycoon as we at any point too don't see it doing a 10x cost increment anytime from now on. What amount will Dogelon Mars be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0.00008. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it will probably drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Dogelon Mars succeed and get more expensive? Dogelon Mars has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no further